Don't smile.
Yeah.
Wait, there's a camera.
She just ate.
Camera.
She just ate. She's digesting now.
Yeah, look.
Oh.
We have her little spring outfit, and it says Daddy's Little Girl on it. Oh.
Oh.
The over the shoulder's a little sexy for Daddy.
Yeah, she's just all tired.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's smiling there, yeah.
When I grow, when I'm tired, I grow. When I sleep, I grow. Yeah, she just sucked
Be
down.
tall. Tall. Oh, look at that. Did we file those fingers yesterday? We got the right hand. I don't know about the left
I
hand.
had gotten the other hand before. I have a feeling we have an awake situation coming on. We've got the stretch going. Ready? Stretch!
Look, somebody's got to brush her tongue.
Look at her smile. Little Rainy, you're too cute. You're too cute. You just love that, huh? You're too cute.
Oh, there's something she doesn't know.
Oh. Yeah, smile for me. Smile for me.
Hey.
Just getting to know how to work mom, huh?
Oh, yeah, there's a smile. Oh.
Oh, sleepy, sleepy.
He's making. Oh, not the hiccups, the dreaded hiccups. What is the nature's reason for hiccuping?
You're gonna have stickers for this kid, Meg? Yes, we do. We do?
Hi.
Look. Hi.
Yes.
Are you half asleep?
Oh, she is half asleep. Oh, there goes the other eye. She is totally asleep.
We had one before.
Oh, very,
That was a good one.
very animated.
You love playing with your tongues, huh? You're watching mom chew her gum. You want to stretch?
Mm.
You want to do your exercises?